Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market just for you. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of bath rugs, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to the SAFAVIEH California Shag Collection Area Rug. If you're on the hunt for the creme de la creme of bath rugs, you're in for a treat. Picture this, stepping out of a warm shower onto a cloud of plush softness underfoot. That's the experience you can expect with the SAFAVIEH California Shag Collection Area Rug. Let's delve into why this rug reigns supreme in the world of bath rugs. Crafted from enhanced soft synthetic fibers, this rug boasts a virtually non-shedding pile, ensuring a pristine look without the hassle of constant cleaning. Sink your toes into the indulgent 2-inch thick pile height, providing the perfect balance of cushioned softness and support for your feet. Bid farewell to cleaning woes. Regular vacuuming, without a beater bar, and gentle blotting of stains with mild detergent or carpet cleaner keep this rug looking fresh and new. With over a century of expertise, SAFAVIEH is a household name synonymous with quality and style. Trust in their craftsmanship to elevate your bath experience. But wait, there's more. While perfect for the bathroom, this rug transcends boundaries. Imagine adding a touch of luxury to your living room, bedroom, or any high-traffic area in your home. The possibilities are endless with the SAFAVIEH California Shag Collection Area Rug. In summary, if you're seeking the epitome of comfort, style, and durability in a bath rug, look no further than the SAFAVIEH California Shag Collection. Elevate your daily routine with this luxurious addition to your home. Trust me, your feet will thank you. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more in-depth product analyses, and leave a comment below on what product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy shopping!